Good morning from the Epcot parking lot. We are here at Epcot today on a Thursday afternoon. It's about noon, so yeah. But today I asked you guys what I should do at Epcot on my Instagram polls, and we're gonna do what you guys told me to do. And I think we're gonna park hop to Magic Kingdom. That was also a poll, but I think Magic is winning over Animal Kingdom. So yeah, let's head on in and see what to do. Alright, you guys, here we are at Epcot. The first question I asked you guys was, where should I go? Future World East or West? So you guys all, mostly for the most part, picked East, so I guess that's the direction that we're going today. But it's a lovely day. It's partly cloudy. I definitely forgot sunscreen today, so we'll see how that goes for me. But we'll just stay in the shade for the most part. But yeah, let's go to Future World East. So, a little update for you guys. This is after the mask changes, so you're allowed to walk outside without masks if you are vaccinated. But anytime you are in a queue or indoors, you do have to wear your mask still. And the first time that I went to the park without the new mask rule was, well, with it, I don't know what I'm saying. With the new mask rule, was the weekend that it was implemented, and the parks were actually not that crowded the whole weekend, which was very strange. But I'm here on a Thursday, and it honestly seems more crowded than it was was it 2 weeks ago? But you know, I did come in an hour and a half after opening, so that could be it. But we'll see. You can hear them doing some work on, I think, Space 220, the new space restaurant, and then here's Guardians. Still haven't put the ship up, but that's fine. Yeah. You guys kind of took me the way that doesn't really have anything to do, but that's fine. We can check on Mission Space, which is my least favorite ride in entire Walt Disney World. It makes me nauseous and I hate it, and yeah, I mean, you know, if you like this ride, go you, but it is not for me. So, some Epcot fun facts. We've got this planter right here in front of Mission Space that's actually in the shape of the old Horizons logo. And this planter was originally here in front of Horizons, which is now where Mission Space is. But Horizons was a dark ride that used to be here originally when Epcot opened, and they tore it down, but it's one of the most loved extinct attractions here at Epcot. But I just thought it was interesting that they do keep that planter here just as a little reference to it. And then back here, if you can see, is the Wonders of Life old pavilion. They're actually changing it to the Play Pavilion. No idea when that's gonna open. They have postponed most of the projects here at Epcot for the foreseeable future, and we don't really know when things are coming back here. But yeah, here's Buzz in the Horizons shaped planter, and yeah, if you guys love extinct attractions, definitely go try to find a ride through of Horizons because it is a wonderful little ride that, you know, would still be cute to ride through, but Epcot's getting a makeover, so they said we don't need her anymore. But yeah, if I have more random facts to show you guys, I will. There's a lot of people over here for some reason. But yeah, I am a lover of theme park history, so I'll try to intersperse random facts for you guys. Alright, you guys, I went to Trowel and Trellis, which is right behind me. It's to the left when you go into World Showcase and almost by the Mexican Pavilion. And what I got was their buttery like street corn. So we gotta try it because me and my friend are obsessed with the corn in Animal Kingdom, and I've been trying the corn everywhere I go that has corn. So I'm just gonna like cut it off with a knife because I'm not about to get all this all over my face. So let's see. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Okay. It's definitely it's definitely good and refreshing, but the flavor is not Animal Kingdom. It's just not. It's definitely like, it just tastes like butter and breadcrumbs. That's all it tastes like. Maybe some garlic. I mean, for $6, it's a lot of corn. So if you're a corn person, like, and you want like a healthy snack, I would suggest it. But if you're expecting some Animal Kingdom corn, you know, so, I mean, not bad for trying something new, but we'll see what's open next. We'll see. Also, some of like the festival shopping booths are closed today, so I don't know what's going on. It's just a weekday. I don't know what they're doing. So a fun fact about here in Norway, that the roofs of all of these buildings are actual grass. So they will have their horticulture people go up on the roofs and take care of the plants and the grass and all that. They also have people out on the boats working on the new floats for the new Epcot show, Harmonious. Every time I've come here in the past couple of weeks, they've been out there doing stuff. They've been moving the arms around, the tacos have been opening up, and yeah, it's huge. So we will see what the show looks like, but I'm excited to see what the show actually does. They have this new like windbreaker spirit jersey looking thing for Flower and Garden. This orange bird on it. It says hello sunshine on the back. It's so adorable. So cute. And then they have Harvest Your Imagination with a green figment. And then another Hello Sunshine shirt. And then this one, it says Hello Sunshine on the front, and then it's plain on the back. But then they have these little planters, which are adorable. And this cup. The cup is $34.99. The planter is $24.99. And then I believe the shirt should be like $25.99. I can't find $36.99. Okay. And then this over here, I might have to get this. $59.99, but I do have an annual pass holder discount. But this is freaking adorable. It's like a little poncho spirit jersey. Adorable. Okay. This is the worst angle ever, but I didn't want this to melt, and there's only tables in the sun, so. Yeah. Okay, this is amazing. I got the lemon sorbet from the gelato place because I didn't want like too much sugar. And this is so refreshing. It was I think $7.80 for 2 scoops in a cup, which isn't bad. This is really refreshing. I think they also had either raspberry or strawberry. I took a video of the menu for you guys, so take a look over that. But this is amazing, especially on a hot day like today. So I'm over in Morocco, and it looks like they're doing construction on the fountain in the middle. I don't know if they're removing it. I don't know if it's going away. Let's go around this way and see what we can see. I don't know what's going on. This is so weird. This like whole pavilion is just gutted. This is interesting. Huh. I didn't think I was gonna eat anything else, but I did grab the salmon from, I already forget the name of it, but I took a video, and I'm gonna eat it like just on my lap, so give me a second here. All right, let's see. There's like a lot of stuff on top of it. Here we go. Okay, I'm gonna get some of the risotto under. I mean, it's really good salmon, like can't deny that, but I wish it had more flavor, like lemon or something. I mean, it was only $6 for like a big piece of salmon, so I'm not mad, but I wish I had lemon. It's hot. It's hot. So you guys most definitely told me to do Living with the Land while I'm on my way out of Epcot, but I haven't done the Seas with Me Mountains in so long, so I think I'm going to have to do that purely because I love the aquarium at the end. It's just so nice and it's air conditioned. So I think I'm gonna do the seas with Nemo and friends instead of living with the land. Very controversial, but I'm gonna do it. So let's go ride. Mickey and Minnie, so cute. I have you on my earrings. Love you, Mickey. Thank you. Brother. Oh, I have Mickey all over. Alrighty, so we got to catch Mickey and Minnie on the way out, which was adorable. They saw my earrings in my backpack, which have Mickey all over them. I love them so much. But now it is after 2, so we're gonna head over to Magic Kingdom. I am gonna drive there. I thought about doing the buses, but I need to charge my phone on the way there, so we're just gonna drive. And I never looked where I parked because I was so busy trying to update you guys. So hope I can find my car. Alright, we made it to Main Street. So we saw Mickey and his pals and the cavalcade going by when I came in, which is super adorable. I love when the characters get to interact with each other. It's the cutest. So for my stories, you guys said you wanted me to go to Adventureland first, which I am gonna do, but I am gonna go to Tomorrowland and take a picture because I changed into jeans for this picture. I'm going there for a picture, and then we're gonna go to Adventureland and do stuff, and then we'll go back to Tomorrowland to do stuff. So I am listening to you guys, but at the same time, I need to take a picture before I overheat in these jeans in this 100-degree weather. But yeah, let's head to Tomorrowland, okay? Yeah. So I was gonna take a picture in Tomorrowland, but then I was reminded why I don't have any pictures in Tomorrowland because it's so freaking busy and people are everywhere. So we're going somewhere else, but we might ride bus, so.
Check the status board and review your score. Remember, to infinity.
I didn't do so well. I think I'm just a space cadet. I'm a planetary pilot. Y'all, it took me so long to finally find a spot in Magic Kingdom to take a photo of myself with my handy dandy tripod. So I'm in the back of Fantasyland and I don't even know where to go because I'm so tired. I already rode Buzz Lightyear. I think I'll just go towards Adventureland, but maybe I'll ride a ride back here since I'm already back here. I'm literally so tired and so many people were watching me and I'm like, alright, let's not, we don't need to do that. We don't need to do that. So, also it's still hot. Maybe I should change out of my pants. Maybe. Like Tom Sawyer's Island is actually open now. So when I was here 2 weeks ago, it was closed. But there's people over there running around and having adventures. Alright, you guys, I got a Cockamore float. I'm literally running to find shade to eat this because it's gonna melt. Oh, it's melting. Oh, it's melting. Oh god. Oh god. Oh, it's on my foot. I'm trying not to vlog that much because my phone is about to die, but here's my dinner view. It's pretty empty in here in Cosmic Rays, so but it's pretty perfect. And I got the spicy chicken sandwich, which now has bacon. I don't remember it having bacon before, but it's one of my faves. It's got like pickle slaw. I don't even like slaw, but here we are. And then a nice cold Diet Coke. And we've got a view of the entrance to Tomorrowland and the castle. That's gonna do it for us today at Magic Kingdom. It was a long day at Epcot and Magic Kingdom, but I had fun and I hope you guys had fun too following along. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, hit that bell notification. We try to upload at least 1 to 2 videos per week for you guys. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the day and see you soon.